All right, today we're going to bring a beautiful LED mouse pad. We're going to set it up. So what we're going to do right now is connect to our computer right now. All right, look at beautiful colors after installing it into the computer. The mouse pad is very slick. I like the whole setup. It's very slippery for your mouse, perfect for those that are gaming. But look at this. Let's get into the actual app itself, all right? So once you download the app, we're going to go into the actual application here. And in here, you could change all the setups, all right? You can say from left to right. So if you're moving left to right, you can move the colors from left to right, or from right to left, or from bottom to top, or from top to bottom. Now you can set music sync or colorful sync. So you could have marquees, for example, here. Look at this. I'm going to actually change a couple things. This is marquees, and we're going to change it to single color. We change it to screen sync. So that means whatever's on screen, if I move to the right or to the left, it's going to change. It's going to manipulate the whole thing. So that's one thing I like about it. So not only your monitor will be changing colors, but also the actual mouse pad. Get immersive with it. Do on screen sync, all right? We're going to go ahead and screen full screen on this one, all right? Look at the colors that just changed here, all right? Just change them, and I'm going to see if I could change both so you guys can see both of them changing. And I'm going to push play. So you can see the effect. It changes here too, and it changes on the screen too. See this color effect here? So whatever's playing on the monitor is also making changes here. Look at the mouse effect. The same thing that matches here. It's matching on the mouse effect, and it's changing red. You see that? And then it changes all the way over here, goes to the other corner. So whatever you're playing, manipulating in the monitor, it's also making changes right here. Look at that beautiful colors that it has. Brilliant. So it's immersive with the actual monitor and the actual mouse pad. So not just a LED light, just a regular LED light, but a lot of effects you get on it. Look at this thing. You can see it running. Look at that. There's an effect right there.